Alright, Muzzlebug, this is traditional. You got raw pork in a roll. You got a raw onion. This is traditional German construction food. And then you're going to wash it down with a beer.
They don't even have a table, it's overrated.
Like a man's man.
I'm going to break them parts off on the middle there and on the outside. Get some of that in there. We lost you, friend. Sorry about that.
Onion down.
Good onion.
It does look good, yeah. I agree.
Your face doesn't look so confident. And drum roll. What's the verdict? Yeah?
You wouldn't know it's raw.
No?
It's just the mind. That onion is really good.
Yeah, I like it when it's fine
Like,
cut. It's nicer.
Like that's fruit. Like, that's really nice.
I have
Or
a
you-
regular
or you
sandwich
take
with
the-
regular stuff in it.
So I